What's up, everyone? I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to delete a WordPress theme. Most site owners will install and try out a few WordPress themes before they settle on one they like. While this is fine, leaving themes you're not using installed can take up space and potentially be a drag on your site. Thankfully, WordPress makes it relatively easy to remove themes. Now let's walk through the steps to delete a WordPress theme. Step 1. Navigate to your WordPress home screen, scroll down the menu on the left side of the screen, and then click Appearance to expand that section into a menu. Step 2. Click Themes in this menu. The Themes screen is displayed where you'll see all of the themes you currently have installed on your WordPress site. Step 3. Hover your cursor over the theme you want to delete. You'll see a Theme Details button appear. Step 4. Click the Theme Details button. An information screen for that specific theme is shown. Step 5. Scroll down to the bottom of the theme information screen and then click Delete. A window pops up asking if you're sure you want to delete this theme. Step 6. Click OK. Your WordPress theme will be deleted. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.